12 plus 12 gives us 24. 24 divided by 4 gives us 6, and 6 times 3 gives us 18. Unfortunately, that's not correct because you fell for a big trap, a crucial trap, hook, line, and sinker, and that's the order of operation. So if you're asking yourself if there is any order of operations, I'll have to tell you yes, because without this correct order, we would see chaos and confusion in mathematics. So to avoid this, mathematicians created a convention and everybody accepts and follows this convention. It is called PEMDAS and it is an acronym. So let's see what PEMDAS stands for. P in PEMDAS stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority. So here we have the highest priority, and here we have the lowest priority. What PEMDAS tells us is that you must go for parentheses at first. So search for parentheses and evaluate and calculate what's inside the parentheses. Then go for exponents. Then go for multiplication and division from left to right. So they have the same priority and the same precedence. And finally, go for addition and subtraction. So for God's sake, learn PEMDAS once for all. So never be lost. Learn PEMDAS. That being said, let's do the original expression. Do we have any parentheses? No. Is there any exponents? No. Is there any division or multiplication? Yes, there is. And we must go from left to right. So let's write, before doing anything else, we must do division and multiplication. So 12 plus 12 divided by 4 gives us 3, right? And then 3 times 3. We have another multiplication, and we must do that before this addition. So 12 plus 3 times 3 gives us 9, and 12 plus 9 gives us 21, and that's the only correct answer according to the international rule of PEMDAS. For your homework, I tried to challenge you even further. I added a fraction, I added brackets and exponents here. Looks really daunting, looks really scary, but if you go according to the PEMDAS, it shouldn't be that difficult. So make sure to put your answer in the comments below, and please subscribe to your channel Prime Logic to support and motivate me, and like the video if you haven't already. So see you on our next video. All the best to you all, my dear students.